this. If this doesn't get you in the mood for the holidays, I don't know what does. Oh.
The small world of model trains has a big following at the Museum of Science.
I love it. The kids love it.
No one loves it more than Peter Higgins,
Let's hear that.
the very definition of train enthusiast.
Probably that's an understatement.
Higgins and other volunteers from the Hub Division of the National Model Railroad Association keep things on track here.
Like the rail train, they fall off the track, but you got to find out why it fell off the track. We got late the other night fixing the track, like the track crew.
Higgins says one word describes true train devotees.
Fascination. I see a fascination in young kids, boys and girls. All my granddaughters have trains. They love to watch them run. They love to watch them go. They don't know what makes it go. Maybe it's magic, but they love it.
That love convinced the Museum of Science to make All Aboard an annual event, says Michael Horvath, Director of Exhibit Design.
The appeal with trains in the winter and Christmas and the holidays, remembering that Christmas tree with the train circling it, you know, after school, coming home and sitting underneath the tree. Yeah, there's definitely nostalgia to it.
Big trains, small trains, Amtrak, even the Green Line, all to scale.
This year we're excited because we created a full HO scale model train, which is 1/87th scale for those that aren't familiar with train scales. And it's an 11.5-foot version of the Museum of Science. It has the elevated bridge and it has 2 trolleys that are going back and forth, just like the real version.
For another kind of train experience, hop aboard the Polar Express. But be warned, says Robin Doty, manager of theaters, this is a 4D adventure.
All right, so is there anything I should be prepared for as we enter the theater?
There will be a back poke at some point,
a
and
back
it will
poke.
surprise you. Let me assure you that. So,
Okay.
The film is viewed in 3D. 4D is what you feel.
it's sort of a fun experience. It's a way of putting a little excitement and extra special zap into a story.
When it snows in the film, there's snow in the theater. When hot chocolate is poured, you get a whiff of cocoa. Wind? Yup, there's that too.
And there's also that famous back poke, which surprises almost everyone. Even I was totally surprised. I'd forgotten where it was. And my favorite in there are the seat shakers.
What's the perfect age to experience the Polar Express?
The perfect age for Polar Express is anywhere between 7 and 70. It's just sort of a family bonding kind of experience. It's a truly all-age film.
Would you like to run this train? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Back to the little guys, it's nice to know this seemingly old-fashioned hobby still delights.
Computers kind of got in the way a little bit, that tech stuff, but it's computers that's brought this back out. You can run them from a cell phone. You can run them with a wireless. You just can see it in the kids' faces. They're learning something. If you look at most of the adults, it's the kid that brought them here. We don't mind talking to them either.
It's a gateway and sort of an inspirational piece for the visitors to come in and sort of have that magic moment to ask questions about trains. And that's really what the museum is all about. You know, it's getting people to ask those questions, to be excited about science, about the world that they live in.
All aboard!
The Polar Express was an absolute blast, and it is not the only film for train lovers. Rocky Mountain Express is playing in the Omni Theater, and there's a touch of Hollywood magic in the exhibit. The Museum of Science model was crafted by an award-winning studio model maker whose work includes Star Wars and Pirates of the Caribbean. The All Aboard exhibit runs through January 7th. Next, 3 things everyone needs this holiday.